growing turmeric actually takes time. This video will just let you know growing turmeric, you can actually grow it by just going to store, buy a package of root. I bought this turmeric in Asian market, HMI in Katy. Next to the section where you can buy ginger. And I brought this package, so I used some for cooking, and I planted 2 pieces here. You see these pieces, I planted like this way, so this part upward, and this one too. But I did not see plants growing from here and here. Instead, the new growth comes on the side of this turmeric root here, and this one too. When I planted the turmeric, I covered all this turmeric with the root about half inches. Cover the soil half inches to the turmeric root. But I guess the watering and the raining, washed the soil away, so the root appears on top of the soil. But it doesn't mind because the new turmeric grow up. You can cover it or just leave it like this. I have not been covered yet. If I want to cover, I need to get some more soil later on to cover the root. Now you can see this turmeric grows very well. I can't wait to harvest this turmeric root. And this is a pepper plant. It comes out from a seed. I don't know what happened. The seed dropped into this pot. Anyway, turmeric takes time to grow. I think I bought this turmeric root in March, end of March. Oh, probably early March. I think in early March, I planted turmeric root. Now it's June now. Now it's early June, the first week of June. It will take several months for this turmeric root to grow and make a turmeric plant. I'm excited. I can't wait to harvest this turmeric.